What's up guys, this is my first impression / unboxing video of Circus CC821 PRIME gaming cabinet. Basically difference between the PRIME and non-PRIME is PRIME is having two USB 3.0 ports up in the front and is having two additional fans on the top of the cabinet. It's having dust filter and all 5 are LED fans. Let's check out the outer box and then we'll unbox it. So since we have unboxed it, let's check out the cabinet itself. So here is the power switch, here is the reset button, the audio in plus this mic ports, and like I said, two USB 3.0 ports. And another difference is the two exhaust fans. These both are LED, and this is the dust filter, which is magnetic. Here we get two LED fans for intake. On the side we have the window panel through which you can have a glance at your gaming rig. There are the thumb screws, which is very useful and which makes it very easy to open up the cabinet, because you can't just go and grab that screwdriver, and it's very annoying thing to open and close. Anyways, so the cabinet inside is red and black combination, and it's having red LED fans. The PSU will sit here, and it has the dust filter, which is removable. You get the manual plus screws and all useful stuff. And here you can put your SSD and hard disk over here and optical drives over here. Basically it has all the required cables and all. Here are the loopholes for water cooling. Scroll again. It does decent amount of cable management. This is the indentation you can see. So basically you can just tuck in your cables over here. So this is pretty much it. What can I say about it? It's very nice for budget gaming PC build. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll be building a budget PC for gaming for about 1080p for medium and high settings. Almost all games, for all games. So yeah, it's about 42 to 43k rig, but yeah, you can call it 40k budget PC gaming rig. So stay tuned.